In today's video, we're diving into some of the best puzzle apps for Android that will help you create stunning grid layouts for your feed. So let's get started. Puzzle Star for Instagram. Puzzle Star for Instagram is an intuitive app designed to create stunning grid layouts for your Instagram feed. It allows users to split their images into multiple pieces, giving the illusion of a larger, cohesive image when viewed on their profile. With an array of filters, effects, and customizable options, users can enhance their photos before splitting them into puzzle-like segments. It's user-friendly, making it suitable for both novice and experienced Instagram users looking to elevate their profile aesthetics. GridMaker for Instagram. GridMaker for Instagram is a straightforward tool that enables users to generate a visually appealing grid layout from a single image. Users can choose the number of rows and columns to split their images according to their desired aesthetic. This app also supports various aspect ratios and provides a preview feature to help visualize how the final layout will look on the Instagram feed. With its simplicity and efficiency, GridMaker is perfect for those wanting quick and attractive grid posts. Panorama Crop for Instagram. Panorama Crop for Instagram specializes in creating panoramic images that can be posted on Instagram's grid. This app allows users to crop wide images into smaller sections, which can then be uploaded as individual posts. The app is particularly beneficial for photographers and creatives who want to showcase scenic vistas or detailed artwork in a segmented format. Users can customize the number of slices and adjust the cropping, ensuring that the images maintain their artistic integrity while still being eye-catching on their profile. Thanks for joining us to explore these fantastic Instagram puzzle apps. Share your thoughts in the comments below and let us know which app you're excited to try. Until next time, happy posting.